We're at Bayview, and this kitty right here, I have seen videos of this guy sneezing boogers, Facebook Messenger, or is it text? I forget. Anyway, this guy's has an obvious sinusitis. Before I was so rudely interrupted. All right. This guy here has sinusitis. I have seen all kinds of booger videos and stuff. That movement you saw right there actually is a sign of a bird who may be trying to feign off a sinusitis. Okay, he's got an itchy nose. Anyway, so when I get this thing to focus here, we'll be able to get some pretty pictures. So the next mission, as I watch this guy for about 5 or so minutes, is we're going to catch this guy up, get a sample, and look at it in the microscope. And hopefully we'll get some pretty pictures for this as well. All right, so that's what bird looks like ahead of time. You impressed? Neither am I. All right, later. All right. Our little buddy here just finished sitting in this room while I spent the last 20 minutes on the microscope. And in the meantime, at about 1,000 times magnification, we were able to identify very, 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 very few bacteria, but yet tons of budding yeast. It actually an almost like a Malassezia type genus, but it's hard to say. Anyway, so yeast is pretty much everywhere. I was expecting to see Candida because Candida is one of the more common ones in humans, but it's not what we found. And again, looking at the microscope is not a way to speciate them, but it does give us an idea of their size and their color. Anyway, so with that in mind, we do have a fungal infection. I'm going to start this guy off on some ketoconazole for a while, and we should be seeing an improvement after about 3 days. Again, I like to remind people the way antifungals work is they actually stop the cell wall from protecting itself, so the average organism has to die of old age, so to speak. Okay, so depending on the yeast species itself and how tough it is and how long-lived it can be. Good, yeah. Anyway, so my point is when it comes to treating fungal disease, it takes a little bit longer than your antibacterials. Okay, so what's up? Hey, what? What? Huh? Huh? What? What? Huh? See you later.